Deciding which multivitamin supplement to buy is a tough decision because Indian market is flooded with lots of supplements in this category. There are new companies coming up almost every month, and all of these companies are having multivitamins in their product portfolio. Some people have the misconception that only those people who have been diagnosed with a deficiency should use supplements. However, this is not true. A multivitamin supplement aids in overall health and well-being. Today from my channel Active Ash, we will compare a few multivitamins trending in the market, compare their ingredients, nutrients and their pricing. So do watch this video till the end and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. According to studies, a healthy individual requires to consume 5 to 9 portions of fresh fruits and vegetables on a daily basis, that too of 5 different colors. This may be possible on a few days, but becomes difficult on a regular basis due to availability, ease of cooking, and also turns out to be quite expensive. That's where a good multivitamin can come to the rescue. We will now compare a few brands available off the shelf and on various e-commerce websites. First is A to Z multivitamin and multimineral tablets by Alkem Laboratories. Each tablet contains a total of 13 ingredients, which includes 9 vitamins and 4 minerals along with pink bark extract. It contains vitamin A, all B vitamins, vitamin C and vitamin E. In minerals, it contains copper, manganese, selenium and zinc. As shown in the pic, almost all the 9 vitamins and 4 minerals fall short of the recommended daily allowance. For example, each tablet contains 25 mg of vitamin C, which is just 62% of RDA, and zinc is 9 mg, which is just 75% of RDA. It also contains permitted synthetic food colors. However, if you take higher dosage of this tablet to meet the RDA recommendation, it may cause side effects like nausea, diarrhea, vomiting and skin rashes. Each tablet will cost you around 8.5 rupees. Next is Maxi Rich by Cipla. Maxi Rich multivitamin and multimineral soft gel contains a blend of more than 15 nutrients, which includes B complex vitamins along with vitamin A, C and minerals like calcium and iodine. Here too, most of the nutrients fall short of the RDA. For example, vitamin C per tablet is 25 mg, which is just 62% of RDA, and vitamin B12 is just 0.5 mg, which is only 50% of RDA. The gelatin-based outer cover is a form of animal source which makes this product as non-vegetarian. It also contains soy oil, so it's not recommended for people with soy or peanut allergy. Each tablet will cost you around 9 rupees. Next is Zincovate by Apex Laboratories. It contains vitamin A, B complex, C, D and E along with minerals such as magnesium, manganese, iodine, copper, selenium, chromium, zinc and grape seed extracts. Although the RDA is better for this product compared to the previous two, but it still contains permitted class 2 preservatives and synthetic food colors. You may also experience side effects like nausea, vomiting, stomach upset and skin rashes. Each tablet of Zincovate will cost you around 7.5 rupees. Next is Revital by Sun Pharma. It contains a total of 10 vitamins and 9 minerals along with traces of ginseng. Some of the nutrients present in this product too are below RDA. Like vitamin C is 33 mg, which is 82% of RDA, and B6 is 0.8 mg, which is just 40% of RDA. The outer cover of the tablet, it also made of gelatin, which makes it a non-vegetarian product. It also contains trans fat in the form of vegetable oils. Symptoms of overdose may include gastric upset, headaches and increased heart rate. Each tablet will cost you approx 10 rupees. Next is Centrum multivitamin and multimineral tablets by Pfizer. This is a very good supplement as compared to the previous ones. It contains all major vitamin and minerals in recommended daily allowance except vitamin K, which is just 21% of the RDA. In this one too, the outer covering is made of gelatin, which makes it a non-vegetarian product. If you take a high dose of this product, it may lead to stomach cramps, nausea and vomiting. Each tablet will cost you around 25 rupees. The last one is Daily Multivitamin and Multimineral Tablet by Nutrilite. Nutrilite is 85-year-old, world's #1 dietary supplement company. with its own 6,000 plus acres of farmland practicing organic farming. Each tablet of this product provides 13 essential vitamins and 11 minerals along with the botanical concentrates like organically grown acerola cherry, parsley, spinach, watercress, alfalfa and carrot with the benefits of phytonutrients. Unlike other products where we have to consume 2 to 3 tablets a day to meet the daily quota of micronutrients, Nutrilite Daily has almost all of its 24 nutrients with 100% RDA, which means we have to consume just 1 tablet a day. The outer cover of the tablet comes with a patented Nutrilock coating which makes it easier to swallow as well as safeguards the potency for a longer shelf life. The product is 100% vegetarian, does not contain any artificial flavors, colors or preservatives, and there are no side effects. It even comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee on an open product with even 30% consumption, which no other supplement company offers. Each tablet will cost you around 18 rupees. Now let's summarize the comparison in the end. Cost-wise, 1 tablet of Centrum is the costliest and Zincovit is the cheapest. Even though Revital has ginseng, and due to this, men may be motivated to buy it. It is just present in traces, and if you really want your vitality to improve, you need to take ashwagandha or ginseng separately. Nutrient-wise, when you compare, only Centrum and Nutrilite have the ingredients as per RDA. The additional benefit of Nutrilite is phytonutrients, the patented technology Nutrilock, and the ability to have complete control over the quality of each ingredient, as it is the only company in the world to practice seed to supplement. Why buy something of a lesser price and not even get the complete benefit that a multivitamin should give? I have made a separate detailed video on Nutrilite Daily. Please do watch that for complete info. Also, you can message me on my number mentioned in the description box if you need any more info. Thanks for watching and bye for now.